sorry. Time to start fidget trading. These are my only 2 homemade ones. This is how it works. Beep, 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 beep. Stop bouncing. Stop bouncing. Your cubes are flying away. Cubes. Stop. Stop. Cubes. Stop. It's not your stupid video. It's mine.
So who effing cares?
Stop. Stop. I'm leaving. I'm literally not going to trade with you.
I'm actually leaving because of Dylan.
Dylan's not coming. He's staying in his room because he's in a bad mood. Fine. Stupid bitch. I like pop it, pop it, pop it, pop it, pop it, pop it. Unicorn time! There was a video of a girl saying, I need some bug sauce. And then she goes, and she starts farting, and she says, I'm making a cocoon. And she says, this is how you pop it, guys. This is how you pop it. Done. Done. Time to Jesus Christ. Time to time to kill the baddie. Time to do this. With Annie's puppet. Yeah, I'm also terrible at keeping the phone still. Yeah, I'm terrible. It keeps hitting the net. Oh, the puppet flew away on its own. It was right there. Then it flew away with my other fidgets. Joking, my other fidgets. Sorry. I love my homemade fidgets. You put it in the ring. Where'd my other fidget go? Oh, I thought I lost it. I need some bug sauce. I'm making a cocoon. I'm pushing a cocoon. Okay, I need to do something. trouble. And my sister's not here today. She left. She thought my brother would get again. Fun run was so fun. It was so fun when you only run like a million laps. I pay $46 to the school because I get $1.50 per lap.